Okay. You know why we have assembled here, all of you? Do you know why we have come here? Why we all have assembled here? Do you know? Any idea? Anyone? Any idea? No idea? No idea? Okay, let me tell you. We have assembled here to tell you or to demonstrate you why we should wash our hands regularly. है ना? It is important to eat every day. Isn't it? Yes. We eat food regularly every day, daily, not regularly, daily. Yes. Similarly, hand wash करना भी उतना ही important है ना? So do you know how you should wash your hand? Any idea? Yes. With soap and water. But this is not correct. This is not the correct way of washing our hands. We should never wash our hands with soap and water. You know why? You know why? Because there is a contamination. There is a contamination on the soap. The germs, yes. If everyone is using the same soap for washing our hands, the germs are stuck on the soap. Okay? And because of that, it will be spread to each one of us and among us. So it is very bad. It is very bad using a soap. So what instead of soap, what we should do? We should always use a hand wash or dispenser, soap dispenser like this. That will be हमें क्या यूज करना चाहिए? हैंड वॉश. सोप के साथ हाथ नहीं धोना है. ठीक है? How many steps?
6 steps. How many steps? 6.
Yes.
6 steps.
Steps of washing our hands. Now, how many steps?
6.
Number 1 is we should always, firstly we should wash our hand, apply water or put some water. You can see like this, put some water on your, rinse your hand like this, wet your palms. Okay, I have, okay, my voice. Drop of liquid hand wash on my palms. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
visible also? Okay, now what I am doing? Now we will follow the 6 steps. Now the first step is like this. This is the Seedha step. This is the Seedha step. It basically follows the Seedha, Ulta. So this is kind of, these are the steps which we follow. We should always follow the steps. We are always in a hurry. We are always in haste. What we do? Just apply soap, rub like this and wash our hands.
No, like this.
We should wash or rub our hand for properly 1 minute. For 1 minute. And only then the germs will be removed from our hands, from our palms. Okay? So first step is rubbing like this.
After that.
Listen to me. Yes. Look at here. First step is rubbing like this. Now, ulta. Like this. Yes. Like this. Okay. After this, what happens? This is the thumb. This is the mutti. So we will rub like this. Mutti step. This is the mutti step. Again the mutti step. इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? We'll take out the thumb. Thumb को भी clean करेंगे. We will clean the thumb also. Now most important part, the nails. Nails में ही germs होते हैं ना? The germs are stuck inside our nails. They are hidden inside our nails. So what we will do? We will do like this. We will do like this. है ना?